Hey guys, here are your examples for your notes for 8.5A. I'm going to do 3 of them. We're going to do it by hand and the calculator. So this will be our final page. 8.5A, page 3, examples. Okay, and here we go. Number 1, the equation is going to be 5x minus 1 equals 2x minus 5. And all these examples and your work will have one solution. We're going to get into the no solution sets and the infinite solution sets tomorrow. So let's do this one first. So first we need to combine like terms if we can. We need to distribute first. So we're just going to distribute on this side, and we're going to have 5x minus 1 equals, this will give us 2x minus 10. Now we can get the variables on one side of the equal sign, or the variable. So we need to get these together, and then we need to get these together. And to do that, I'm going to move this smaller x, 2x, to this side so we can keep the x positive. So I'm going to subtract 2x on both sides. And that's going to give me 3x minus 1 equals minus 10. Now I'm going to move the 1 over here by adding a 1, doing the opposite. And that's going to give me 3x equals negative 9. I'm going to divide both sides by 3. And I'm going to have x equals negative 3. So we distribute. We get the variable on one side of the equal sign. We divide by what is next to variable. Okay? I won't write that down each time. Now let's do this on the calculator and see if we got what we got. So we're going to turn it on, hit second plus 712 to clear it. It's always good to do that. And here we go. I'm going to hit y equals. And I'm going to put it in. 5x minus 1, enter. When you see the equal sign, just hit enter. 2 parenthesis x minus 5. Okay? Now, we already know it's negative 3, so I'm going to show you that on the table. So I'm going to put it in the equation. Y equals, put in your equation. Under y1 and y2. Then I'm going to hit second table. And I know it's -3, so I'm going to go up to see if that's correct. And I can see that y1 is -16, y2 is -16. That works. The other way is to graph it. So I'm going to hit y equals. Here's our information. And I'm going to hit second. I'm going to hit trace. And we should see the two lines come up. Okay, we can see that the intersect is going to be down here further on the graph, but that's okay. Then we're going to hit the number 5. I think we already did that. We hit trace, then the number 5. And then we're going to hit enter, enter, enter 3 times. Okay, that's not working. Hold on just a second. So, let's see, y equals, there's our numbers. We're going to hit second, trace, 5. We're going to hit enter, enter, enter. And it's right there, -3. Sorry about the steps. I'm trying to do this and write it down at the same time. And we see that our answer is -3. So that works. Let's do another example. I'm not going to write out the steps, so please use your steps. Otherwise, the video is going to be too long. Unit 1, A.5A, page 4. Let's try to get 2 on the same page. Okay, here's our equation. And let's see, 12K plus 15 equals 35 plus 2K. So that's pretty easy. There's not even any distributive property in there, so we should be able to do this one pretty quick. I'm going to move this smaller 2K over here, so I'm not dealing with the negative. Minus 2K here, do it here. That gives us 35 equals 10K plus 15. I'm going to do the opposite, minus 15, to get 10K by itself equals, what is that, 20? Divide by whatever's next to the variable, and we know that K equals 2. Now we don't have a K on the calculator like I said before, so we are just going to use X. So let's hit Y equals. Let's put this in, 12X plus 15, hit enter. And then we have 35 plus 2x. Take that off there. And I'm going to hit second table because we know the answer is 2, or we hope it is, and it's 39 and 39. That works. So we checked it. And now we're going to use the graph and see if I can get that to work. So I'm going to hit second, trace, 5, and then I'm going to hit enter, enter, enter. And we can see that X is 2, so that works. Let's do one more, our third and final example. So we have 3A plus 22 equals 12A plus 30. So we will distribute here because we have parentheses. So step 1 is distribute. So this will be 3a plus 3 times 22 is 66 equals 12a plus 30. Now we can combine the terms. I'm going to move the little 3 over here so that we're not dealing with the negative. We do it on this side, we do it on the other side. That goes away. We have 66 equals 9a plus 30. Now I'm going to move the 30 over here. And that gives us, what, 36 equals 9a. And that means we divide by whatever's next to the variable. And a equals 4. Let's check our work. Y equals, let's put in our new equation. As I said before, this is an A, so we will just use the X button. I'm going to clear this. I'm going to tab down and clear this. Here we go. 3 parenthesis X plus 22, close it, enter, 12X plus 30. I'm going to hit second table, and I'm going to go to 4 and see if that's right. And 78 equals 78. So we know this is correct. Let's do it the second method. We're going to hit second, trace, 5. Here comes the lines. And then we're going to hit enter, enter, enter. And the intersect is 4. So we know that works. So that is it for the notes and examples. And here is the homework that I'm going to put online. You need to work the problems. You can work them by hand, check them with the calculator, or just do it with the calculator, whatever you prefer. Put your answers down and send me this file with your work. I'm also going to put a Google document on there so that you can just put your answers in, submit that, but I need to see your work or how you did this on as an attachment. That'll do it, guys. Thank you for watching.